Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be explaining what is virtual try-on and what is the best tool that you can use today and for your business need, of course. And let me explain what is virtual try-on. It is nothing but using AI models to make them wear your dresses. For example, in this tool that we'll be using today, we'll be uploading the products or the garments that you sell or that you produce. We'll be using those garments, and then we'll be selecting our model. You can upload your model if you have your model image, or use AI models, and then we'll get the final product, which is nothing but the model wearing your dress or wearing our products or garments, whatever you are trying to sell. So without any further delay, let's get into this video. So first of all, what I want you to do is just go to wearview.co. This is where we work, and we work really hard to make this tool as easy as possible. You will check it out yourself. It is really easy. So once you visit wearview.co, go ahead and log in or sign up to your account. After logging in, click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will get the screen which says, what do you want to create today? It will land you to a page where you can see all the services that is provided by Wearview. You can go ahead and check AI Try-On Studio, AI Product Model, AI Fashion Video Pro, which is professional edition, AI model creation. You can create AI models with just a few clicks like we did previously. Please check out our previous videos as well. AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Pose Control, AI Consistent Models, and AI Model Swap. But for this video, we'll go ahead and do AI Try-On Studio, as we'll be learning what is virtual try-on is. Once we click on AI Try-On, here we'll have to select our garments. Just click on Choose File and then choose the garment that you want the AI to wear. For this video, I will be choosing this great hoodie that I have. If you don't know how this thing works, if you want to know more, just click on See What Works button right here. Click on it. It will just give you a great description about what works and the common mistakes to avoid, and also choose images which are simple and really easily distinguishable. Don't use complicated images. This AI, as well as us, we don't like complicated stuff. I'm a really simple person, and I know you guys love me a lot. So what I'm gonna do is just click on the Choose File button and choose a really simple image of our hoodie. We'll click on Open. This is the hoodie that we want our AI model to wear. Once we're done with it, we'll click on the Next button. Here we have the option to choose our model or select our model. If you have a model image, then click on the Choose File and select your model. But if you don't have any model, you can go to My Models, and then you have the option to create your very own model as well. Wearview supports both male as well as female models. It is really great. I did show you how to create models in my previous video, so please check it out. But if you don't want to create your very own model, you can go to Model Library right here. Here we have a collection of amazing looking AI models. We have female as well as males who are really handsome hunks we have right here. But for this video, I'll go to my models and I'll choose a model that I created previously. Let me check whom to choose. Let's choose Brock, as Brock is a really attractive person like here, unlike me. So I'll just click on the Select This Model button right here. And we can see that our Brock is ready to wear our dresses, and we'll click on the Next button. So yeah, this is the garment, which is the hoodie, and this is our model we want him to wear. Next, we'll select the quality of the image that we want. For the best quality possible for your store and stuff like that, I would suggest you to go for 4K. But for this video, I'll use 2K. I won't suggest you to go with HD. The quality isn't that good. Minimum that I would recommend is 2K, but if you want the best of the best, 4K is hands down the only option you've got. So for this video, I'll select 2K and choose the aspect ratio. For this video, I'll choose 4:3, which is the default one. If you want, you can also choose a square aspect ratio or vertical or even horizontal. It depends on your need. But for me, I'll choose 3:4, which is the default, and then we'll click on the generate button. Now this will take around like 30 to 40 seconds, even though it says it will take around 1.5 minutes. So I won't keep you guys waiting for 30 seconds. Once the creation is completed, I'll resume the video and we'll take a look at the results together. Alright, so after around 25 to 30 seconds, we have our model wearing our hoodie. Our Brock looks really happy after wearing this great hoodie. It looks really good on him. If you want, you can also flip this image horizontally by any chance if you want to do that. Or if you want to change something, you can also click on the refine button, and here write something, smooth fabric wrinkles, or maybe brighten the background, clean white background, whatever you want. You can just go ahead and type it out and just click on the refine button, and Wearview will refine the image accordingly. But for me, I really like the image that we have got here. Brock looks really happy with the hoodie. If you want, you can also use AI pose control to change the pose of your model, which we'll explain in the later videos that I'll create. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also like this video, as we work really hard in Wearview to bring all these features for you. Along with that, you also have AI fashion video, which I have explained previously. But if you want me to create a dedicated video again, please let me know in the comment box down below. I love to read all your comments. Well, that's pretty much it. Once you are happy, or by any chance if you're not happy, guys, just go ahead and click on the try again button. Or if you want to start fresh, you want to start a new project or start with a new model, click on start fresh button, and you can just start the whole process up again. But for now, what I'll do, I'll just download this image and then send this image to my store manager, and I'll use this image because I don't know, Brock looks really handsome with this hoodie, and I'll just use it to post that ad over on my store. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. That's that's it for virtual try-ons, and the best tool to use is wearview.co. It's a shameless plug, I know, but we at Wearview, we work really hard, like I said, and as you saw, it's just so easy. Less than 10 minutes and you have created such a great AI model for your brand. So that's pretty much it. This is Victor from Wearview. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care.